Hey everyone, lead trainer with StocksToTrade, Tim Bohen back with you today. As promised, we went over this on Instagram and kind of teased it in other places, but gonna talk about PSTV and Oracle. So Oracle is an amazing technology. It's really cool. I love it, but we get a lot of questions about it. I mean, you can see on your screen a lot of numbers, a lot of colors, a lot of highlighting, a lot going on your screen. So today is kind of to give you a quick tour of Oracle, as well as to kind of break down the idea on PSTV, and then hopefully set you up for a potential trade tomorrow. So a couple things I want to go over to kind of get started. Number one, listen, if you haven't tried out the trial, go below, hit the link, get the 7-day trial, and check out StocksToTrade. You've got a fully functioning version. Oracle will be there for you tomorrow. I'm telling you, PSTV has a very, very high likelihood of being in play tomorrow. And if you got Oracle as a tool in your tool chest tomorrow, you'll see. I'm going to go over a trade from Friday on PSTV. I mean, I'm not saying it's going to change your trading, but it could definitely enhance your trading and put you on that path to profitability. So get the trial. Definitely check it out below. Also linked below, something we've been starting to do a lot more is Instagram stories. So if you've got Instagram, hit that link below. Follow us on Instagram because it's kind of cool. Every social network's a little different. And what's great about Instagram is you can capture those quick plays. And, listen, drop a note in the comments. If you followed us on Instagram, you saw PSTV. I storied it live as it broke through the levels, as it spiked to the high of the day, as it ripped through. So it was kind of a cool live demonstration. So if you were here or if you followed us on Instagram, let me know if you saw that. Drop me a comment below. I'd be curious. And then also, if you're here on YouTube, thank you for watching. But if you haven't, please ring the bell. Hit that bell to be notified right away. We've been doing more and more live or more timely videos. We do tons of videos. I love everything that we do, but some of them are kind of what you call evergreen videos, but we've been doing more topical stuff like this, and today's video is a great example. So Oracle predicted that this stock was going to be in play on Friday. So if I jump to the chart, you'll see that in pre-market, this stock was up from 4 to 8, okay? 100% plus move in pre-market. So let me give you a little bit of a breakdown of what Oracle does. Oracle is a prediction and stock planning, trade planning algorithm. And what's great about it is it basically collects all of the trading information through pre-market. It also looks at key support and resistance levels, which is something I'm going to show you here in a second. But the interesting thing is it compiles all this information. Then at 9:34 a.m., it gives you a potential trade plan. Now, doesn't mean they're guaranteed. No, doesn't mean you're going to make money every time. You still gotta have a stop loss. You still got to be the human, okay? As much as I love the black box of Oracle, you still got to be a human and decide, okay, listen, this thing predicted this, the stock turned, I got to stop out. But the neat thing is it compiles all this information, looks at support and resistance levels, and then gives you potential entries and exits. And why I'm so excited about PSTV, first of all, it was amazing into the close. But what's cool about this and what I love is most traders would be sitting there and saying, well, geez, it's up 150% pre-market. There's no trade here. I can't touch this. There's nothing to do here. And most of the time, you're probably right. But the beauty of PSTV is the float. I mean, ridiculously low float. And it had high volume, float rotation type kind of play. So as you head into the open, Oracle combines all of this information and then gives you a potential entry. Notice, let me jump over there. The entry idea was 965. Okay, so right here, you can see across the bar, I've got it highlighted in yellow. There's a lot of information here, and we could try and get as much of it to you in as short amount of period of time as possible. But you've got the ticker, then you've got the sentiment indicator. So you can see under PSTV, Oracle was bullish. That's what, hence the green indicator. You can see some of these other stocks, if they have a red indicator, they're bearish. So this determines which side of the trade plan you look at. So something like YRIV, Oracle's bearish, that means you're working off this left side. That's the short side of the trade. Oracle is 90% geared towards day traders. So we're looking to be in and out the same day. So something like YRIV, if you were looking to trade this, you would use the left side. I'm going to focus on PSTV. You can see that it's green. Oracle highlights it in green, telling you that, okay, this is a potential long trade, and the sentiment indicator is telling you that it's currently still a buy. Next, you'll see the entry area. So that's the signal, the buy signal, or the short signal if you were short bias. And you can see that that area was 965 as a potential buy. This is at 9:34 a.m., okay? So if I jump back at the chart, you can see at 9:34 a.m., this stock was in the low nines. It wasn't at the breakout level yet. So you could have sat back, prepared, and been ready to attack when 965 came. Next, you've got the next thing you're going to do is you're going to work off of the Oracle bar, which gives you the major support and resistance levels. So you can see each one of these areas with the big circle around them are key support and resistance levels based off of Fibonacci's, based off of the last term or the long-term chart, based on a bunch of secret sauce that's baked into the algorithm. So you can see that 866 was a big support and resistance level, as well as 1150. So those are the areas you're going to kind of key off of. Those are your areas you're looking to break. And again, I'm referring back to the Instagram stories where I did it live on Friday. I said, listen, if 1150 breaks, and I'm down here at the bottom of the screen, if you see my cursor, if that big 1150 area breaks, this stock's gonna blow. And you can see it touched that area 88 times. That's what this indicator indicates here. So you can see how this support and resistance level was predetermined in pre-market. But you can see how 1150 was resistance. The stock hit that level 88 times before breaking out. So the cool thing about that is you can work this to gauge where resistance levels are. And if you're long from the nines, if this stock keeps struggling to break, that tells you maybe you take profits, maybe you size down, and then you add as it breaks. But that's what's wild about the bar, is it tells you those key levels. Next, you can see the next intermediary level, or the next major level, was 1611. All of these areas in between are what we call intermediary levels, and then you've got the Oracle bar plots you the delta, the difference between the two. So this stock actually, after it broke 1150, you can see that it, went rocket ship. So right here is that 1150 level in the morning. It breaks, runs all the way up to the mid 14s, then it pulls back, and this is the neat thing that you see through the middle of the day. Look at that 1150 level. And listen, I'm not cherry picking here, okay? These Oracle levels were from the morning. So notice how the stock consolidates at that 1150 level, above VWAP, and then trends. And as you see that Oracle indicator continue to increment, boom, 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 you know with high certainty, nothing's guaranteed in trading, but you know that when that 1150 level breaks on volume, there's a high potential for spiking, because it's proven that that's the resistance level. When resistance breaks, big moves tend to come, just like when support breaks. If you're on the short side, if the stock consolidates all day and it breaks, it tends to drop to the floor. So now you can see into the afternoon, look at when that 1150 level broke convincingly. Okay, I'm not talking a penny or two here or there. Once it hit 1170, 1180, 12, and then 13, $3 to $4 of upside after that on a stock that's already up 150, 200% on the day. There was still $3 to $4 of upside into the afternoon. You want to know what a Friday squeeze is? PSTV is the definition of a Friday squeeze. And I love this chart consolidating around VWAP, that high a day break. I mean, if you bought as late as 15, there's still a couple dollars of upside. Listen, you got a small account, 100 shares of a $15 stock. All of a sudden it skips $2 a share, it goes vertical. You add $200 to your $1,500, your $2,000 account. That's how you grow. That's how you build an account. And Oracle, I think, is one of the best ways to do it. So, hope you guys enjoyed this. Thank you. Again, be sure to ring that bell. I want you to be here when I go live on Tuesday night. And then also follow us over on Instagram. That'll be linked below. I plan on doing, I bet you we'll see. Now, maybe PSTV will do some sketchy offering in the morning and we'll be dead. But I'm pretty confident this stock will be in play. And if it is, I'll be dropping some stories on Instagram with Oracle so you can see it in action. And like I said, tomorrow's Monday. Money Monday. I freaking love Money Monday, okay? Get the trial, get the tool. You can follow along, and you might be able to make a big difference in your account using Oracle. So thanks a lot, everybody, and we'll see you next time.